So the speaker screen, it's all dirty, so it looks really bad. The discoloration from the sun, so we can see how scratched up really bad. So that's how it turned out. The speaker grill, painted it, polished the chrome trim. I gotta put new sponge on the handle, but yeah, everything turned out really good. So I figured that so I was able to use the techniques from wrap to stretch my leather, but yeah, everything stretched out really good. Well, I figured if I can wrap the Corvette, I can wrap my panels. So I wrapped all my panels in leather, so even my steering wheel, so I upholstered it in leather, and then I did this baseball stitch. So let's look at all my panels. So my kick panels, all of them are wrapped in genuine leather, so all the way by the pillars. Headliner, I also did the headliner myself, and but I'm glad. I like the way it turned out. Even that one's also leather, so I kind of did stitching there to cover the seam. Already resealed all my oil leaks, cleaned it from the inside, and while I was at it, painted my brackets, upgraded the alternator, intake is ported, larger throttle body, so made it look good in the process. Eventually I might wrap it, so I just put that just to get some ideas. Looks like that's it for the carpet to be able to come out.